the new normal will be somewhere around 100 pesos per liter.
Wow.
No?
So hindi na to bababa to like
I
dating
think
60 pesos?
in the next year, baka hindi bumaba.
Holy wow.
Kasi ang problema natin, the market is reacting to what's going on in the Middle East. No? And every day, meron tayong nakikitang negative
Oo nga eh.
event. No? Kahapon, binasa ko yung CNN, nagpadala na ng tropa ang Amerika.
Boots on the ground.
Boots on the ground. No? So, you can imagine that would be really bad. Today, may bago na naman. No? So, it's always a daily instance or event na talagang it's negative. No? At saka, nung panahon ng 2011, yung away nun is only between two countries. No? Ito, the entire region. So, I think the problem is the price will stay high. It can get worse, no? But it will stay high the next year. Yun ang aking nakikita.
So you don't see within 2026, kasi may mga nagsabi dati, in 2026, babalik na daw yan ta mga 70 pesos, 60 pesos.
Ang problema sa nangyari, no, long-term yung effect. No, logistics na delay, facilities no, on energy have been destroyed in some countries. No? So the effect is long-term. So hindi lang basta overnight ma-resolve natin yan.